In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own AI video clone with Heygen, and I promise it will take just 5 minutes. We'll walk through each step together, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to heygen.com. This is the platform where all the magic happens, allowing you to create your personalized AI video clone with ease. Once you're on the Heygen website, you'll notice options to either sign in or get started. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, follow the prompts to sign up and join the Heygen community. After you've successfully logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find an option labeled Avatar. Go ahead and click that. This will lead you to your avatar creation dashboard where you can start working on your AI video clone. On this new screen, you'll see a button that says Create Avatar. Clicking this will present you with a few options. Here, you want to select Video Avatar. This ensures that you're setting up an avatar specifically for video purposes, allowing you to create something that mimics the true elements of personalization. The next step involves selecting a video. You have two choices: either upload an existing video from your device or record a new one directly. Choose the option that suits your needs best. Once you've made your decision, upload the video, or, if recording, allow the platform to access your camera and microphone, then follow any resulting prompts. After selecting the video, you'll see a Next button. Click on it to proceed. This action moves your video into the processing phase where Heygen's technology begins analyzing and preparing it for avatar creation. As you follow the prompts on the screen, you'll eventually get to a point where you can click Submit or Create Avatar. Select the appropriate button to continue. Now comes the part where a little patience is required. You need to wait for the processing to complete. Depending on several factors, this might take a few moments, so feel free to stretch or grab a coffee while the platform does its thing. Once processing is finished, you'll see an option to click Use Avatar. Go ahead, and then you can type out the script you want your AI video clone to deliver. This script will be the way your avatar communicates with your audience in the final video product. With your script ready, you're now at the home stretch. Simply hit Generate Video. The platform will put everything together, synthesizing your script with the avatar you've created. Before long, you'll have a polished AI video clone ready to share with the world. And there you have it, a seamless process to create your very own AI video clone using Heygen. Thanks for following along, and we hope you enjoy using this fantastic tool to bring your visions to life.